let me jump to CYPEHVAC, CYPEHVAC Hydronics in this case. Okay, so we are talking about air conditioning. I have it here, CYPEHVAC Hydronics. Unfortunately, in this case, it's not the same building. I'm sorry, I didn't have that time to design the air conditioning system of that house. Maybe in a future example, we will see also that that little building. But here I have a pretty nice one, pretty good one that is also available in the CYPE architecture examples. That is this unifamiliar house, and in this software we have the same situation, a 3D interface, a new 3D interface. Actually, this interface was launched in the past version, actually 2 or 3 months ago, but you can work in the same way. So I can, for example, deactivate the architecture, and I can see here the HVAC system. Okay, in this case we are talking about the systems related to the hydronic systems. Okay, CYPEHVAC Hydronics. We are not designing the radiant floor system, although here you can see the radiant floor because they are synchronized. So there is CYPEHVAC Hydronics and CYPEHVAC radiant floor. In this case, we are talking about hydronics. So I can deactivate the radiant floor, for example, and then we have here just those elements that were designed here at CYPEHVAC Hydronics. The main new feature that I would like to show to you in this version of CYPEHVAC Hydronics is it's one feature related to the calculation option. So when we calculate it, we design it, okay, the software will size the elements here, and we have one very interesting way to see the results. These colors that you see here to the pipes, they are related to the type of pipe you introduce it. If it's a cooling, a heating, a supply, an internal, a return, an external pipe, okay, a design condition. But if you use this option here after calculating the project, you can have a kind of graphical analysis of these results. For example, if I activate the graphical analysis, I could see, for example, the flow in each pipe or in each section of these pipes in a different color according to the flow. For example, let's activate it. And here I can see, for example, this bar. So the flow, it's in liters per hour, parting from 69 to 244. And I can see that in the different pipes in my building. Okay, so here near the unit, we can see that the flow is much higher as was expected. Okay, but there are other type of results that we can do the same. For example, the velocity. Let's activate the velocity, and we can see the velocity by colors. So here we can see that the velocity starts in 0.11 and finish, and the maximum is at 0.86 meters per second. We can also filter that. For example, I would like to see all the elements that have a maximum of I don't know, 0.5, for example. Okay, everything that is more than 0.5 and it's between 0.1 and 0.5, I can see that. So I will see the colors a little bit according to the maximum that I defined here. Okay, and we'll have the same situation for thermal insulation thickness, linear heat flow, hot water temperature, cold water temperature, and that's a very nice result that can help us to decide when we are designing which is the best solution, the best layout for our installation. So yeah, this is now also available here at CYPEHVAC Hydronics. This information was available at CYPE Plumbing Sanitary Systems and CYPE Plumbing Water Systems before, and now here we have also in the hydronics discipline.